And are you recording?
It will on Facebook. Right?
Yep.
Oh, and there's Joanne's. It says we're streaming on Facebook.
I wonder if this,
Hello, everybody. Okay, I see us on my phone. And there's 7 people watching.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, hello.
We're still getting set up, but
we
we
are coming to you. Love internet. We were just trying to fix it. We are just going to take a look. We are, let's see. Are you guys in there?
Yeah, I'm there. I can see it on my phone and watching Zoom on my computer, of course, but watching Zoom on my computer, of course. But
Okay. Hey, everybody, are you back? We're sorry, we are a little bit having some problems with internet here. So you're here, perfect.
yeah,
We're here, you're here. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to turn myself 21 folks around. So thank you everybody for coming back. This is just a really quick little wind up. And I know that it has been a very full day. And I guess if you have to pick one word, how are you exhilarated? Are you inspired? Are you feeling remarkable? What is so while you're answering that, and we're all going to be checking, so yeah, you and Lillian can take a look at those words that we're going to see. We hope that you had a great day. We had a great day. We had a few little glitches and I guess I do have some other questions for you. And one would be a lot of stuff in there. A lot of your designs already, you're taking pictures, throwing them up there, and that's perfect. That's what we want to see. But if you haven't started yet, if you were sitting back and just watching and you didn't pull out anything, what's the first one you're going to do? Are you going to do a fun fold? Are you going to do a 3D if that's your thing? Are you going to try and do that bubble card? I did see some folks who were asking about wobbles, I think on Amazon, and I'm sorry, I don't know what those are, but maybe they probably will work and you won't then have to go from mine. And I just wanted to, the designer paper that I used for the bubble card, if you could see all of the designs on it. So I'm going to hold them up now so you can see it. So I use this piece here. I'm pulling one that's much darker for in behind our mama kangaroo circle squares, I guess, flattened out circles. And then the other piece is sort of a diagonal plaid kind. And then this guy, I don't know, what would you call this? I'm not too sure it's not really a fleur-de-lis, but I really like these designs because they're a little bit different than some of the ones that we have had before. So those are the 4 designs and in that pack. So if you don't normally get these designer series paper in all of the color families, I'd encourage you to give them a try. I love them because they're in all of our colors. So Anita had asked that, and I do need to. So he went back together just perfectly. So you don't have to worry about him. He's not. Yay! He's still surviving. So I don't know. What were some of the things that people were going to start trying First Lady?
Well, they're
Yes.
all feeling remarkable, inspired, renewed stamping energy, that kind of thing, motivated. In other words, they seem to like it. And they're looking forward to the next one. And
Good.
almost have my bubble card done.
Oh, okay. Well,
So still, some are still thinking about what the
perfect.
first one's going to be, and some have already posted. And
Yes,
the ones
saw-
who have posted, we are enjoying so much. So thank you, and keep those posts coming in.
and you have until next Saturday at noon to
Yes.
post to the challenges.
So we want to thank you so much for joining us.
Yes. Yeah, slim card.
Yeah, be creating, and you can create more than one.
Yes,
Don't feel that you
definitely
have to
create more than one
stop
of
at one if you don't want to. Noon on the Tuesday. Yes. So you can tell we're having a little bit of been a problem all day. So I'm glad that we got through it. So I'm sorry if we are talking over each other. So let's just see a couple other things. Make sure you print off your PDFs and get all of those measurements, and we will update everything. We're going to save all of the videos and put them up to YouTube and a PDF in an email. So whichever demonstrator that you signed up with, that's who is going to send you an email with that link, and it'll happen probably around Tuesday, Wednesday. So you can sort of look for it. That's replays as many times as you need to. Continue to add comments, whatever you like. Just to let you know on the challenges, next Sunday at noon, winners of the challenges. And it's just a random draw. So we will pick everybody who
posts
has an entry in there, a card or design in there.
Peggy
So
just asked,
we hope that you had a fabulous day, and it sounds like lots of you have. And I'm just being quiet here for a moment.
Peggy just asked when the PDFs will be ready. Joanne did mention that they will be Tuesday, Wednesday. We will be emailing them out to whoever registered with us. So just watch your email. Don't put us on hold yet. Keep getting emails from us.
And speaking of emails, and if you really enjoyed today, remember that
and the PDFs are there in the Facebook group right now.
Exactly. Their PDFs are there in the Facebook group already, so you don't have to wait for the email. And if you really enjoyed today, and you want more of this kind of thing, the past ones, we have Stamping Staycation #1 and Stamping Staycation #2, they're still available. So if that's something you want to check out, be sure to contact one of us and we will put you in the right direction.
Actually,
so we can have days like this continually. Sorry, Marilyn?
There is already a post coming out with the link to register for those two because they're both under Joanne's system.
Oh, right. Yeah.
So that will be posted here shortly. Okay. Joanne, are you live yet?
I am live and I can hear you guys, but I think the problem is that I'm not connecting very well. Yeah. So, yeah. So if you want to do, maybe how about if you guys announce the what we have for them,
Sure,
rather than me.
Marilyn, I'll handle the bring a friend one. And
okay.
Right. So as you know, everyone
Everyone's a
who
surprise.
brought a friend who was new to us, who has never been to another Stamping Staycation, if we knew about it, we tried to follow up. If someone indicated they came with a friend, we entered you in a draw. So if Susie Stamper invited Sally to come to Stamping Staycation, now there's a lot of S's, Susie Stamper would go in the draw, right? And what you win is one of each of the projects we demonstrated today. So we put all those names in a draw, and drum roll please. Pam Rutherford, you have won that one. You get a mailing. We will mail you a sample of all of the ones that we did today. So congratulations, Pam. And thank you everyone for inviting a friend and sharing the news. We appreciate it.
So on that note, we will need Pam Rutherford's address.
Yes, thank you.
All right.
So if you can message one of us or all of us with it, that would be great. And we'll get those out to you as soon as possible. And then we had another draw that we were doing. Of course, none of you knew about these draws. Well, you did kind of about the big bring a friend, but this one is everybody who registered on time is having their name put in a draw. And Joanne has a stamp set that we are giving away for that, right, Joanne? Oh, she's holding it up. It is
Yes,
the Punch
I'm
Party
holding
one.
it up.
The Punch Party one, which is the one for hosting, being a host over 375 for the celebration. So that one, Joanne had put them in the winning wheel that she has. And because we knew we were having this issue with the internet, she drew them and we listened. She didn't do it. I mean, she did it fairly. She didn't just draw. And the winner of that is Faye McGuire. So congratulations, Faye. We will be sending that out to you. I do have your address, so that's great. Glad that that we had so many people participating. So thank you for being part of it. We love having you here. Okay, and Joanne, what else do we have? Joanne is frozen.
And what about a date for our next event?
Oh,
Get those calendars out.
Date for our next event.
is
Go ahead.
Go ahead. May 29. We will be probably working with stuff out of the new catalog because we get it on May the 4th. So yeah, mark your calendars. We will certainly be sending you out emails about them and posting in our Facebook groups. We do have a post coming up here in about an hour, giving you all of our email addresses for signing up for our newsletters, and you can keep in touch with us that way. So please do that and keep in touch. We love hearing from you. We love keeping part of this community.
And some of you have been asking how to access our individual Facebook pages where we post our Facebook business pages. So that information will be posted as well. So don't worry about trying to track us down. That's going to be available for you. And we thank you that you're interested in wanting to follow us. We appreciate that a whole lot.
For sure. Okay. Think we're done, ladies?
So I think I might be back. I don't know if I am I?
Yeah, so far.
So just a final thank you to everybody. Thank you so much for joining us. Go and put your feet up and have a cup of coffee.
Or a glass
of wine. I know there's a glass of wine in my future. We look forward to seeing you again. And we really look forward to seeing what you craft with the ideas that we shared with you today. So have a wonderful week, a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.